Welcome students in the Organic Chemistry online lecture series. Today we are going to study this point, that is meta-directing groups, or due to this meta-directing group there is a deactivation of aromatic ring for electrophilic aromatic substitution. So this we will study. In previous few videos we have seen about what are orthopara directing groups and what is activation of aromatic ring. Also, we have seen the aromatic electrophilic substitution mechanism, a general mechanism. So, it is very necessary to watch previous videos before watching these incoming videos for your better understanding. So, I hope you all have watched that previous videos and then do watching this video, that is meta-directing groups and deactivation of aromatic ring. So, in a simple way, I just say that electron withdrawing groups electron withdrawing groups, in short I will call them as a EWG. So if electron withdrawing groups are attached to the benzene ring, then due to resonance, due to minus R effect, that is resonance we can say, and also due to minus I effect, that is inductive effect, the ring is deactivated. Towards what? Towards electrophilic substitution. So once again I will explain. If electron withdrawing groups are attached to the benzene ring, then due to minus R effect, that is resonance effect, and due to minus I effect, that is inductive effect, the ring is deactivated towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. What is meant by deactivation? Electron density on the ring decreases. Electron density on the ring decreases, and you know, in electrophilic aromatic substitution the benzene ring is considered as a nucleophile. So the electron density, if electron density of the ring is decreases, then we can say that the rate of reaction for electrophilic aromatic substitution decreases. So due to this reason there is a deactivation of aromatic ring, I can say. Now we'll see a few examples of this electron withdrawing groups. The most important example is, suppose this NO2 group is electron withdrawing group, then this C triple bond N, that is cyanide group, is also electron withdrawing group, then C double bond OH, that is aldehyde group, is also electron withdrawing group, then C double bond OH, this is also electron withdrawing group, and again you can take many more examples to explain this. Okay, so these are the few examples of this electron withdrawing group, I can say. Now what happened due to this electron withdrawing group? Let's see. Suppose I will take one example so that you will easily understood that how the ring is deactivated due to the resonance effect and minus I effect. Okay, now let's take an example of a very simple example, that is a nitrobenzene. I will draw here the structure of nitrobenzene. Okay, so this is benzene. So there are three double bonds in the benzene ring, and nitro group is attached here. So I will draw a double bond O and O. So oxygen will carry negative charge, nitrogen will carry positive charge. So this is the structure of this nitrobenzene, I can say. Okay, so what happened due to this electron withdrawing group? See here, this nitrogen is having positive charge. To satisfy this positive charge, this double bond will be shifted over here. Then we can draw the structure. The structure will become like this. Write on all other bonds as it is. Now here there will be positive charge generated. This will be double bond N, oxygen, and here this bond also will get shift here, so it will become like this. Here is a positive charge. Okay, so this will be the structure generated. This is the first resonating structure, I can say. Again, if this bond is shifted here, then we'll get another resonating structure. Okay, now positive charge will be over here on this carbon. This will be, again we'll write the same, double bond N, oxygen negative charge, oxygen negative charge, nitrogen will carry positive charge. Again, if this bond shift here, then positive charge will be shifted to ortho carbon atom. So in this way I can draw the resonating structure for this molecule also. So here there will be positive charge, here there are two double bonds, double bond N, O negative, O negative, nitrogen positive. Okay, so these are this is second resonating structure, this is third resonating structure. Okay, so finally if this bond gets shifted here, then we get the initial structure of nitrobenzene what we have drawn. Okay, so we will get this N. I will shift this bond here, so N double bond O, oxygen, here is a positive charge, so we will get this structure of this nitrobenzene once again. So we can say that nitrobenzene can be represented in three resonating form. This is first resonating form, this is second resonating form, this is third resonating form. So we can draw the resonance hybrid for this nitrobenzene in this way. See, this will be the resonance hybrid. Okay, so these electrons are circulating in the benzene ring and there is a positive charge over this carbon, over this carbon, and over this carbon. Okay, so here again one bond is nitrogen and oxygen, oxygen. Now this oxygen will carry delta negative charge, and this nitrogen will carry positive charge. So this is the resonance hybrid structure of this nitrobenzene, I can say. Resonance hybrid structure. Okay, now here you will get the answer that why the ring is deactivated towards electrophilic substitution. So you find here there is a positive charge on this positions on the benzene ring. Now you know for the electrophilic aromatic substitution the benzene ring must be electron rich, but here due to the presence of electron withdrawing group the electron density on the benzene ring is decreasing. That's why the ring is deactivated towards the electrophilic aromatic substitution. And you will find here that this ortho and para positions are having positive charge, so electrophile will not come over these positions. Okay, so the only position which remains electron rich is this meta position. That's why it is very important sentence I am writing over here. Remember, if electron withdrawing group is present on benzene ring, then electrophilic aromatic substitution takes place at meta position. So this is very important sentence, remember. So if we do the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction on this nitrobenzene, then the incoming electrophile will only come at this meta position, and it will not come at this ortho position and para position, because at ortho and para position already electron density is very less. So from this meta carbon there will be attack on electrophile. So always if electron withdrawing group is present on the benzene ring, then always the incoming electrophile will become at a meta position. So we'll take another example. Okay, now let's see this benzaldehyde. Here on this benzene ring, there is electron withdrawing group, that is CHO group is electron withdrawing group. Again, we will draw the resonating structure for this benzaldehyde as that of nitrobenzene. In the similar way, we can draw the resonating structure. Okay, so this will be the first resonating structure. These two bonds will be as it is here. There will be positive charge. Here there will be double bond C. Oxygen will carry negative charge and hydrogen. Again, to satisfy this positive charge, this bond will shift here. So this is first resonating structure. Okay, then second resonating structure will be like this. Here is a positive charge over this carbon. So double bond C. Oxygen will carry a negative charge, hydrogen. Okay, now again to satisfy this positive charge, this bond will come over here. Okay, and we can draw a third resonating structure like this. Here there will be positive charge. Okay, double bond C, oxygen and hydrogen, and finally we can draw our original molecule in this way. So here there will be a ring as it is, double bond O H. So this is a benzaldehyde. So this is the first resonating structure, this is second resonating structure, and this is third resonating structure. So if we draw the resonance hybrid of all these three resonating structure, then we can draw like this. Double bond is circulating over the ring. Okay, here is delta negative charge on this carbon, and here is delta positive charge at ortho position and at para position. So this is the resonance hybrid structure for this benzaldehyde. Now again, by observing the resonance hybrid structure of this benzaldehyde, you will came to know that at ortho and para position there is a delta positive charge. That means electron density is very less at this ortho and para position. So incoming electrophile will prefer this position, that is meta position. So always remember that electrophile will prefer meta position. Okay, so in this way we can say that the benzene ring of this benzaldehyde is deactivated due to presence of this electron withdrawing group, that is CHO group, and electrophilic aromatic substitution will take place for this at this meta position. Now consider another example of this benzonitrile. Now here cyanide group is acting as a electron withdrawing group. So again in the same way we can draw the resonating structures for this benzonitrile. These two bonds as it is here, there is a positive charge. So here there is a double bond. This bond will shift over this nitrogen. So double bond N nitrogen. Okay. Again we can shift this bond over here. So this will be the resonating structure. Here is a positive charge. So double bond C, double bond N, negative charge. Again this bond will shift here. So we can draw third resonating structures like this. So here there will be double bond. Okay, here positive charge will be there. So double bond C, double bond N, negative charge. And finally, if this bond shift here, this bond will shift here, and we get our original benzonitrile molecule in this way. Okay, C triple bond N. So these are the three resonating forms, and again the resonance hybrid structure will be like this. So on this position there is a delta positive charge. So again electrophilic substitution will take at the meta position here also. So this is all about the electron withdrawing groups and their effect on benzene ring. So always remember electron withdrawing group is there, then reaction will take at meta position. So we'll stop here today. Thank you.